Before we move on, let us take a look at Article 12 again. You will see that judiciary is not mentioned in this article. So, does the judiciary come under the category of state or not? Also, remember I mentioned that this phrase, unless the context otherwise requires, is significant. This is actually relevant in deciding on the status of entities which perform multiple functions in different contexts. For example, the judiciary performs two types of functions, judicial and non-judicial. In the A.R. Antule versus R.S. Nayak case, the Supreme Court clarified that when a court is performing its judicial functions, then it is not part of the state, because it cannot infringe on the fundamental rights of people in this context. But when the court is performing non-judicial functions, then it can potentially infringe on the fundamental rights of people. Therefore, it will be considered as a part of the state. So, while deciding whether an organization comes under the state or not, the context of the organization or the entity's functions should be taken into consideration. In simple words, the type of work that the organization does will determine whether the entity falls under the category of state or not.